welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Oh, if you saw last week's video, then you'll know that I am finally doing my review on the I'm finally doing my video on the Gregory Juno 30. Alright, hi, my name is Dina. If you are new to this channel, last week I reviewed the REI Co-op Trail 40, which is actually a really great backpack. I am filming the same day, August 31st, as I did last week because I'm on a roll. And I haven't filmed for a couple months. Oh, yay! As I mentioned in last week's video, which is same today, I'm reviewing the Gregory Juno 30. Finally, I've had this backpack for months and I've used it several times. Not over the summer because it was like 100 degrees. No, but I'm so excited to be able to use this more. It is a bigger one than I use with my Sula 16, but it's the same brand, same style. It's just bigger and I just love it so much. It has all the pockets and features that I really do like. I think if this is this would be a great excursion backpack if you have like a family and or you have a lot of things to carry, like, you know, water shoes, you know, all just kinds of stuff, or a travel backpack where you just kind of want to carry all your stuff with you. Same with the last one if you are just traveling, except the padding on the hips are a little bit thicker. It may not work as well. This one is a lot thinner. That's why I say this one is better. But it does have this little mesh feature in the back, which may cause a little bit of bulk, but it's my best thing that I love about this backpack. All right, hold on. I gotta unclasp it. All right, first of all, this is my favorite feature of the Gregory, which is the same as my Sula. It has this airflow through here. You can see all the way through. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Can you see right through there? Oh. And the airflow on that is fantastic, especially when you're walking in direct sun heat and maybe there's a little tiny breeze going through. But oh, so great. It feels so good on the back. It's so comfortable. It's not a lot of padding, but what it is the flex on it makes it super soft. And it is a structured one, so it doesn't bend. It does have a nice little bit of padding along the bottom here. I'm going to show that. So there's a little bit of padding down here and a little bit in here, but a lot thinner than the other one, because I'm not really good with the really thick padding. I think when it hugs a little bit better, I like that. But it does have that mesh for airflow, so that's really nice. The best features that I always look for in a backpack now oops, is to make sure it has a space for the water bladder. And my other one is that it doesn't have a drawstring kind of brain style, and it has a mesh front pocket. So this is my let's see, no, one more item. And it has waist pockets. I think this is probably the most comfortable and the best options for what I like when I am going hiking. I like the organization of everything. Last week's is Trail 40. Oh my gosh, that has so much organization, so many great pockets, so many great features. It's just that I like this one a little bit better, even though it's 30 liters and that one was 40 liters. But so much better for me to be able to use this one. So let's get started on the pockets. Oh, just as like the Sula, it does have a designated pocket in here for your water bladder. Now, if I was traveling with this, I've thought about this, although I probably wouldn't, because I like everything to go over the trolley sleeve, and there's nothing to go over the trolley sleeve. Although I did buy something that works, where you put it over the trolley sleeve and then it has a strap that goes around, and that would actually do really well if I was going like on a hiking trip. I could just put it in here and stuff. Yeah, that could actually work. It has a designated water bladder area, and it has the little clip. I have the Gregory water bladders. I have two. The reason is because one came with this one and one came with the Sula. So, and those are like 40 bucks each. So when you look at the price, if you're getting the water bladder included, you have to buy it separate. Think of that as like a deal. And then it has a separate zipper to get in, and it does come down almost like 2/3 of the way or 3/4 of the way. It comes down very freaking far on both sides. So you can get all the way in there. Has nice, so as thick as it is on the back. Let's see how that's how thick it is in the back. It does have some scuffing because I have used it. Shows I've used it. Now, one of the things I've complained about that I really did like on the REI, but I complained about the Osprey, is pretty much the same thing I complained about this one, is that this could be made a little bit bigger, a little bit oval, or something, so it's not so small. So that's the only thing that I kind of don't like about it that I like on the other one. And even though, and it could go all the way to the end. See, it could go all the way over here. Much better if they did that, right? So small pocket, wish it was bigger. No additional pockets inside. And then it has a small pocket in here with like a little soft divider, which I think the thought is because it has like a felt in here, and I think it's so you put sunglasses and stuff, but I would keep mine in my sunglass case because no. If you pay a lot for your sunglasses, keep them in their case. I wouldn't just be throwing them around. And then it has that separate area in here, which is, this side's a little bit bigger. You could put more stuff in it. Oh, and it like pulls out a little bit more here. Oh, I like that. It is like an oval shape though. Very interesting. I don't know why they just don't square it off, but I don't know. However they build it, right? Build it, they will come. All right, it does have a little clasp here just to hold the items, your mesh items here. Oh, and it just like, it goes out so far. Again, as I mentioned, the rain jacket, poop kit, you know, anything you want to get to right away, best thing. And it just kind of pushes out a little bit. Does not have a pocket on the bottom. Does not have straps on the bottom. Does not. It does have one side for the trekking pole loops. Oh, or the trekking pole, or the loops for the trekking poles on one side. You know what I'm talking about. You know. All right, and then it does have some compression straps, but no compression straps on top. And then it has these mesh. They aren't even mesh. They're like, I don't know how to explain it, but they don't stretch as much. So I kind of don't know how to explain it. They also are not that tall, but I use a water bladder. There's also some clips you can buy where you can clip on the top of like a smart bottle. You can get them on Amazon. I'll link it below if I can find them again. I'll try to find them. I'll find them. And you put it on your top of your water bottle, and then you can clip it to your backpack. So that way it's not falling out if you have like really short ones, because I just think these are really short. And of course they're on both sides. There are some straps to kind of tuck it in, but if you have a really tall water bottle, it doesn't really work. Doesn't work, let me tell you. Oh wait, I lied. There are compression straps. I lied. I thought there were, and then I was like, I can't find it, but there are. They're right up here. This is where like you can put it in. If you have that little clasp, then you can like clip it onto here so your water bottle doesn't fall out. But they're just not that tall. They're just not. I don't know how to explain that. Like my hand, and my hand's not that big. So, but again, I use a water bladder, so it doesn't really affect me. It does have the load lifters up here on top. It does have the chest strap. I actually have an additional little clip that I bought online. So, and then I have also, I don't have it, The bag has it. It has the pocket. All right, while I was in the middle of filming, the camera died. So, I think I was like right about here. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. I was like going, where are the rest of these clips? And I knew my camera had died, but I didn't think it cut off that early. What I was talking about is that there are the hip pockets here. There's 2 hip pockets, a very nice wide belt. I think if they're too thin for me, then I feel like they're cutting in, you know, like something you would tire, like a little narrow thing. So I don't like that. So I like that this is super wide. So it's very comfortable. And then it also has the sunglass holder thing. Let's see if I can find it here. Oh, it's here. So you pull this down and you can pull it over to like the center of the sunglasses, but you can put the arm thing through here. It's something similar I think I have on the other one. Can't remember. And then it's got the little hook to hold your hose for the water bladder. It's got the load lifters. It's got a nice handle. This one's a lot thicker than the one on the Ospreys. I don't know why they're so little. I don't mean little, I mean like thin. They just feel thin to me. So I'm gonna put it on now. Of course I have different clothes on. This is another day. Another day. And I never learn, because every single time I go to put my backpacks on, I always end up putting this one on second, and it always gets caught on my watch. I need to like put this one on and then put this one on. I never wear anything on this side. So I'm gonna buckle this in. So this is kind of already adjusted for me. And then this one has a magnetic hook, and then it has a magnetic thing on the top. Again, I have a Gregory water bladder, which I really do like them. I didn't think I'd like them, but I actually really do. With the insulator, I have an insulation pouch, so the water stays cold longer. It doesn't get hot. If I drink hot water, I get a stomach ache, so I don't like that feeling. And so this is it on. You can kind of see how it looks. If I'm back far enough. And then the load lifters are already up, so it is what it is. And yeah, I mean, just here, I did put one of these clips for the hose to kind of stay secure, even though it locks onto there. This, on my other one, it has like a little strap thing that this goes through to adjust. This thing right here has a little thing where you can kind of tuck it in. You can keep it so it's not flopping around anywhere. I like that. So these little clips are nice. I'll put links to anything like maybe that I'm talking about if I can. So if it's an Amazon product and it's still available, I'll put my affiliate link below. It does support the channel if you click on them. So if you do, thank you very much. So that is the Juno 30. Oh, I really do like this one. It's actually my favorite. And I think it's going to work out really, really well for everything that I'm thinking I would use it for. So some things that are going to be happening in 2025, of course, is Trans-Catalina Trail, which I'm super excited about. But that's going to be the perfect size to be able to go each day with having the luggage forwarded. So I think that's going to work. Not the luggage, the camping gear. I keep saying luggage. I keep thinking of the Camino when they can take your luggage forward. So on the Camino, they also have a service much cheaper that will take your bag from place to place if you don't feel like you can carry it all the way. That one you don't carry as much. You don't carry camping gear, tent, and all that stuff, sleeping bag, all that. You don't need to carry all that. So that's why I'm thinking that's going to be the perfect one. It's the perfect size. Just need some clothes, some hygiene, some personal things, and you're out the door. You're pretty much good. All right, my camera died. I hope you can, I'm gonna have to turn the volume up a little. I'm probably gonna look totally different. I'm on my phone now. Yeah, Sadie's over here. You can see her now. I don't know if you can see her in the other one. It's hard for me to see on the little thing. I only still have the Pocket 2. I've not bought the Pocket 3. I've been kind of holding off because, I mean, until my Pocket 2 like totally crashes, I think I'm gonna keep using it. I don't think I need the Pocket 3 yet. I don't think so. It's working fine. It works fine. It fits. Well, I guess the other one would too, but I put it in my little legging pockets, and I put a phone on one side, put my camera on the other, and go, go, go. Anyway, I'm on my phone now. Oh, everything probably is backwards. Yeah, everything. So, all right, so next week I have an Amazon haul, and I'm super excited. I've ordered this stuff. Hasn't come in yet, even though it's like, by the time this is showing, it's like a week later from when I ordered it, so I probably already have the items. Maybe I'll put in, no, you're gonna have to wait. Next Saturday, Amazon haul. All right, so travel stuff, cruising stuff, there's quite a few things. I think I may do it as an unboxing, which I love to do. I'm super excited about that. And then the video after that, I'm going to be talking about shoes for wide feet for traveling, cruising, hiking, and stuff like that. Because a lot of my hiking shoes I actually would use for traveling and for like excursions and stuff like that, because they are so good. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe for those upcoming videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one. All right, take care. Have a great day.